Hi and welcome back to Post Ads Today, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to log into your account. Now if this is your first time here and you've not yet posted an ad, then please do. And if you go over to the channel and you'll see this video here, this will show you how to post an ad. So when you're on the home page, you can go to the lock, put your username, your password, and then you'll be able to sign in. And then when you've signed in, your icon will show here. If you click on that, you'll be able to see what other things you can do within your account. And as you can see, I'm clicked on my profile. What you can do also is put your user ID image here. If you want to remove your account, then you can go here. You've got your profile settings, you've got your account settings. You can also bump your ads up and also highlight your ads from in here too, but I'll show you that just in a minute. So if we go back, click on here, you can save favorites by going through the ads. You can also post your ad from within your account, which I suggest you do when you've got your account. So for example, it's the same as posting an ad on the front end. Let's say we just go here, select the category, select what package you want, and also if you've got credits in your account, you can use your credits. Like I say, just fill all that in, add your images, and also you can add YouTube videos as well. So you can do that from within there. Also, you've got your alerts. Just click on that and you'll see your alerts. You'll also be able to see your listings. So if I click on that, so there you can see a selection of listings, and also you can bump your ads up from inside here as well and highlight them. Just go back. You've got the packages which you're using. So whatever package you've selected, or you can purchase a package if you want a longer time for your ad to be live. Got your payment history, which you can click on that, and these are all the different, and your payment history will come in here, so you'll be able to look at your payment history. There's one thing I will say to you, which has been a bit of a confusion for a few of you, is that when you have credits in your account, it will say that you've paid via whatever amount of the package. It's not taking any more money off you, it's just deducting the credits from within your account. Also, you've got your credits, so you'll find your credits here. So if you've got any credits available, then you'll see them here. If you want to buy more credits, you can click on this link and you can see your payment history. Recently viewed listings, obviously I don't need to click that. Your banners, if you want to add a banner on the header or on the footer or in the middle of the pages, then you can do. And again, like I say, it'll just show you. If you want to add a banner, just click on add a banner, add your details, and then your banner will be put in here. Then we've got remote ads. So let's say you've got 4 or 5 different ads posted on Post Ads Today. What you can actually do is, so like these are selected here, I can take this code here, put it on my website, and it will actually advertise those ads on your website. Also, we've got ad promotions. Again, you can click on that and you'll find different ways to promote your ad. And then obviously when you finish with all that, you can just log out. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful and I'll see you on the next one.